Maaari po ba niyong ikwento sa amin yung inyong buhay bago kayo pumasok dito sa franchise? At paano po nagsimula ang inyong entrepreneurial journey, Ma'am Marilyn?
So, ma'am, bata pa lang po ako, gusto ko na maging successful sa aking pong kitaan. So, I started po na mag-employment. I was in Manila for an IT job for 5 years and then flew to Singapore. And I spent like 16 years po working as an IT in one of the largest banks in the world po. So, I spent a good amount of time, and when I'm able to start my entrepreneurship journey, I started to check for options po, and here nakita ko po si KRT Milk Tea po, kaya I grabbed the opportunity na rin po to become an entrepreneur.